700 exercise number 23. Ready? How we say a thing is generally just as important as what we say. Full stop. Sometimes it is important because we can change the meaning of the words we use by the way we say them. Full stop. If we place weight on one word rather than on another, we can change the feeling of our words. Full stop. By changing the expression of our voice, we can suggest that we are serious or that we are speaking only in play. Full stop. For example, you may say to a friend, "You really are the most senseless person I ever met." Full stop. With such a remark, you could break with your friend forever, but in 9 cases out of 10, such a remark will have been made lightly, as if in play, and if under the words there is just a suggestion of seriousness, your friend is free not to remark upon it because you have made the statement so lightly. First stop. Sometimes people do not wish it to be said that they are not speaking the truth, and yet they do not want to speak the truth. Full stop. They therefore take words which in themselves could be true, but use them in such a way as to suggest a different meaning. Full stop. It is not, however, only in connection with meaning or the results of our words that it is important to be careful. Full stop. How we use our voices is important in itself. Full stop. We often hear such remarks as, "She has such a pleasing speaking voice," or "Her voice really gets me down." Full stop. I simply could not live with it. Full stop. And it is true that there are voices we like to hear and voices that we do not like to hear. Full stop. Few of us really know the sound of our own voices. Full stop. It seems that our hearing is not planned in such a way as to let us hear ourselves perfectly. Full stop. We therefore often go through life thinking we speak in one way when in fact we speak in some quite different way. Full stop. Our opportunities for hearing our own voices are much better than they used to be because